Connecting your phone to the car hands-free has never been easier. Simply follow some quick steps and you'll be Bluetooth connected in minutes. Select your Bluetooth on the touch screen and push Connect Device. Then be sure your car doesn't have too many phones connected. To delete one, select it and touch the red Delete Device icon in the corner and confirm your decision. Push Connect New Device and open your Bluetooth menu. Make sure you have Bluetooth turned on your phone and wait for Hands-Free Link to appear. Once you've accepted the vehicle, it will appear on the touchscreen. Push the device you want to pair and a code will appear on your touchscreen and phone. Confirm this code on your phone. Select your connection style and wait a few moments as your Honda gives you access to your music, messages, contacts, and phone. Please always focus on the road while driving, and we implore you to drive safe.